Hi guys, hi everyone. Can anyone hear me? Can you guys hear me so far? Good morning. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Good morning, Charles. Good morning. Where are you from? Because my time zone is like good evening already. It's evening time over here. Okay, so we just wait for a couple more seconds and then I will start the section for today. If you guys have any question, you have any question, or do you have like any pair you want me to have a look, you can let me know. All right. Okay, I would think I will start in 1 to 2 minutes later. Okay, how you guys doing so far? Any winning? A big win like from last week? Any one of you guys have a position like running at the moment? You can share with me. Okay. Okay, so I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Let's just start our section for today. So today it's also about live trading section. We will find the trade setup together. All right, like I say, if you have any question, any pair you want to have me a look, just let me know. Okay, just before you start the webinars, as usual, guys, remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay? About myself, my name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst at our Frozen Group. Okay, we are finalists for the best epic research in 2019, 20, 21, and finalists for the best equity research in 2020 and 2021. And you guys already know I'm a prop trader as well. This is some certificate that I have passed the challenge. Alright, okay, so let's just start our section for today. Okay, so far today we don't have any major news so far. As you guys already know, is Japan market is closed. There is no major news for US currency as well. Okay, so what you can see over here so far, this Y is as resistance and it's already falling from the first resistance over here. And if you were to use Fibonacci extension, it's already as 161.8% extension. That's why when the price reaches this level, is pull back. Okay, this is still my level, but it should be seen like last week. Let me just adjust the support and resistance level for this one in head 4 time frame. Okay, so I don't want to go into detail for daily time frame, because I believe this morning some of you guys might already attend the pre-market with Karen, which is my colleague. Okay, so if you miss, you can rewatch or you can go to the blog. Okay, I see market broke. Okay, I think we update all the technical analysis based on daily time frame for Monday. Okay, so basically I think this kind of like my intermediate support level, meaning that if the price break this support level, okay, I think the potential they will drop to this support, which is my first support here. Okay, I will adjust my level, this my support level here. Let's just move all the fifth level. Okay, so this one is falling, that's why EU, GU and gold is rising, right? So yeah, I do have a position long or buy for GBP, and I short UJ as well, like USD JPY is still whole. Okay, so I think they will probably gonna drop until, let me just pull the fifth level, should be like 50% fifth level. Okay, it's about, oh, okay, it's about 50% here. Okay, I think that potentially if we drop here, if we can break this in my intermediate support, I think that's the next move. They're gonna drop to first support, which is around 104.85. Okay, this is my view. Okay, let me just look at EU. Like I say, EU or EUR, euro dollar, for my view, I still like in bearish. Okay, because they still in bearish channel line for the daily time frame. But if you were to zoom in, okay, to head for, so basically last week they break my support. Okay, this is my support, they break, then this is should be my first resistance. Okay, now it's rising. Okay, I just remove this one. Okay, and this should be my second support. Okay, my first support is gonna be same. What you can see here, why last week, you know, they bounce off from this support level, you can see this is a price action. Okay, and if you were to zoom in, it captures at this swing low at this point for his fall. That's why you can see here, when the price reach at this level, have a rejection. You can hit for 1, 2, 3, and then that's why it's rising. So potentially, I think they will like going up to this support. If you want to sell, I recommended you to wait for the confirmation in lower time frame, like M15 and M30. Okay, should be around exact 30%. Okay, fifth level for first resistance. What about second resistance? If you were to ask me, this might a bit far, but this is a nice overlap. But I think potentially this is another level. It might too close, but I don't think I'm gonna put. I just put this as my second resistance. Okay, either let me like see again. Okay, so okay, anyway, just stick with this first resistance support, resistance, and what about second support? That might be a bit far, but I think I'm gonna choose here, but let me double check. Okay, so basically we will put pull from this one to this swing high to swing low. I use Fibonacci extension. Okay, so we cannot find. Okay, I will use Fibo extension, which is extension 161.8% extension for my second support. Okay, but I think because currently the XY dollar index falling, so they think can falling more. So if like they drop until first support, EU potentially it might come to break this first resistance and might come to this level, like this level. So let I just put this as my intermediate support. Okay, I put this as my first resistance, which is aligned with 30 and 50% somewhere here. Okay, I think there will potential rising to this one, as the XY still have the room to falling to here, or basically somewhere around here. Okay, like the wick and the body. Here. Okay, let me just move down a little bit here. Okay. Let's just look at the XY. Okay. So like the XY, if you were to look at this Y in daily time frame, I think there is already have bearish divergence over here. Okay. If you double click I sign, you will see that already have a bearish divergence here. Okay. Let's say falling. Okay, EU should be rising. EU, okay, EU. Yeah. Alright, so if you want to sell, I think you may consider around this level, like first resistance. Just wait for the confirmation first, okay? Around here. For the GU, okay, last Friday it break my support, which is this one. So now it's become resistant. Yeah, resistant here. Remove this one. Move this. Move this. Okay. See. Let's just. Okay. Okay. This is my second support. If you want to move to a left hander, this is it's very nice overlap with support over here. And I think the next one, this one I could just put as my second support. But if you want to zoom in, okay, you want to zoom in H1, you will know that this is very nice price action choosing stuff. It's called choosing. Hi, good day to you. Yeah, I will help you to look for the AUD USD. Sure, no problem. Good day to you too. Okay, that's how it keep rising. Okay, what you can see here, like if you want to look for the market structure, yeah, even though like they make a lower low, lower high for the head, for the daily time frame, right? And but if you were to move to the lower in H4, like when it reach first support, which is I think first support we do have some protection here. No, sorry, should be, I think should be here, like last week. Yeah, it should be at 78.6%. No, like 61.8% here. Okay, for the projection, but it's over here. It captures at here. No, that one. Okay, I think it's the wrong one. So never mind. Okay, back to head 4. Okay, so this one already changed. We don't use, but I think let me pull. Yeah. No, it's not. Anyway, okay. So I think this is gonna be my resistance, which just this week and this week, which is here, due to be support, and then break above become overlap resistance over here. Okay. Like here. If you ask me, I think this is very small, kind of like intermediate resistance. So if they can break above this level, they will go to first resistance over here. Okay, to me, still can falling. EU and GU. I think GU could break this intermediate support to go to first resistance over here. Okay, if anyone have a position, I still have, because there is a divergence over here. This is a bullish divergence. Okay, yeah, double click ISI. This is a bullish divergence, right? That's why here. Okay, I think that potentially we break above this intermediate resistance. Okay, where is my second sub resistance here? Okay. Okay, now it's bounced up a little bit. If you also zoom in M5, what you can see when it breach and then it bounced up over here. Okay, what you can see in a lower time frame here. Okay, it's bounced up a little bit. We'll just see if they can break above this intermediate resistance. So my potential will go up more. Okay. Let me see if any question. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Let's just look at AU first, and then after that I will bring you go see gold. Okay. AU, do you have any position open at the moment for this pair? Okay, this has seen last week. So last week, just remove. Let me look for the bigger pictures. I think last week it come and touched the like multi-swing low over here. This multi-swing lower for the time frame day. Okay. This it could be resistant. I just look first, okay. Go to the lower time frame. You see what you can see in H4, I think it's like ranging. If you look like that, it's like ranging in H4. Okay. But if you want to look for the level, okay, the first support is somewhere here. This is the first support for H4, and this is second support. First, you need to identify support and resistance first, so you know that you know where the price is going to, right? And potentially, I think let me look further for my this H4. Okay, because we are in H4, I will just move. This is my support, my first support here. This could be my second support. But let me see. Okay, if they break this support, they will come here. Okay, this one I will just remove first because we are in H4. Do you have a sell position? This is your resistance, right? If you were to draw the resistance, right? Even though you draw like that, then you put the resistance here, you put the sell order here. Okay, if you know that you let it go up a little bit, right? This is your stop loss just above this week, like this week. Okay, you have to just put above the wick, and then you have a sell order here, and then you hold, like you hold until this level. You know that this really nice overlap support is your TP. Why? Because you know price come from this all the way, like your resistance could be like resistance all the way, and it pull back, and then it will come here, and then now it's go down. even though like this is not a nice level, but if you were to pull Fibonacci level, okay, it's about 50% Fib level. Okay, when you sell from here, you use Fibonacci to help you to identify like your TP or stop loss. Okay, and then you know that when you sell here, there is a Fibonacci level that you might take note, which is 50% somewhere around here. Or if you remove this one, right, then you sell from here, potentially your TP could be somewhere at this level, which is here. Hit your TP1 and it could be your TP2. Okay, but now it's already break. So I think this first support here, and I don't choose this as first resistance because that's too far, because we are trading in H4. So potentially this is my first resistance. Okay, first resistance, and just put this as 50 and 78%, which is 50% which is first support, and we do have second support which is like up with 78.6%. Where is my, okay, here, right, over here, we can falling down more. EU bouncing off a little bit. Okay, this one is still rising. Okay, like this one still at the intermediate resistance. If they break above, I said they will push up. Okay, for the EU asking me, I think they can falling down more. Okay, but if you look at the like H1, okay, I think it's still coming down more, because what you can see here, they make a lower low now, right? Like, right, make a, if you look at market structures only like in H1, swing high, lower low, low high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and sorry, higher high, higher high, high low, higher high, right? And then they make a lower low and lower high, and that was continued, will come like this. Okay, in H1. Okay, what's about in H4? So I think we'll come to first support. Do you have any position? I'm sorry, not yet. What do you mean? Okay, so if you want to wait to buy like the buy entry, if you want to wait here, I recommended you to wait for the confirmation. Okay, for this one, let me see. No, still can falling more. Okay, I'm not sure if you trade with divergent, but if like this happened long time ago, but if you were to see here have a bully divergent over here. Okay, you double click at the I sign, you will can see really clearly. Okay, these are bully divergent over here to here. If you want to buy, seen like this candle close, you buy at this candle, or you buy at this candle. If you hold, okay, personally, I think you will like in like TP. Just that divergent already happened, we remove. Okay, because price really go up. For AU, I think we come to here. You might see a bounce from this level. I'm not sure. Okay, we need to wait for the confirmation first. Okay. Hi, Jack. Welcome to the webinars. Today is about live trading section. Okay, if you have any question, you can let me know. Any pair you want me to have a look, you can let me know as well. Okay. Okay. This one. Oh, why I cannot see this? Because I don't think. Okay, put here. Okay, 78.6% is here. Okay, I know you guys waiting to look at gold, right? To me, any one of you guys is a harmonic like you trade with the harmonic. Okay, for the I just go for weekly first. Okay, for weekly, what I see like there is it called bullish flag or something? I'm not so sure. Like that. Okay, like that, right? For gold, since daily time frame last week or 2 weeks ago, I think it's on downtrend, but weekly something like that. Okay, maybe go down to daily. The daily, I think that price is like making a harmonic pattern, like a galley, right? It is this one, like here, until here. I think you guys cannot see the color. Okay, let's just I show you. Like here, like okay, what we can see here first, I thought okay, they're still on the downtrend, okay, for gold, because before that price is make a higher high, higher low, right? And then they change the momentum, which is they make a it's a low, lower low. This one, this is higher high, higher low, higher high, and then they make a lower, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low and lower high here until here. Okay, and then they could not make a lower low, they make a higher low now. Okay, for gold. So and I think if for a harmonic pattern, potentially I think they will might come up to until 78, which is here, galley. Okay, and I will do find the BC extension, which is here. BC extension is galley, should be somewhere here. So I think it's good if a galley pattern is somewhere here, or it could go up here. I don't know, but I will just look somewhere here first, which is I got okay. Sorry, where is my here? No, and 78%, which is here. So this is my price might like level somewhere here, I guess. Consider this is just for a long term. I will bring you to zoom into H4, but I think they will rise up until here is a P point zone, PRC. Oh yeah, divided zone. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay. I think this the zone that price might like reverse from here. In the bigger picture, just that I just saw, okay, but I'm not sure, but I will just keep in mind that okay, there might be a harmonic pattern here. Okay, okay, just make it slightly something like that. Then okay, we go to the H4. Okay, for H4, what we can see here. Okay, let me just remove the harmonic pattern. Okay, maybe something like that. What we can see here. For gold, excuse me, here is already at the resistance level, which is around this level at the week, right? Okay, and this morning they cannot go above like this week, which is around 1930 is a resistance level in H4. Okay, that's why when the price come here a few times, it's reversed, and now it's go up again. Okay, it go up because DXY is falling, so EU, GU, gold is rising. Okay, so going from until where we will use Fibonacci extension. If you were to draw from here, extension is until here. So let's just say we put this at our intermediate resistance, meaning that if price is break above, potentially I think they will go up until this one. First resistance here, which is zoom in for you until here, this one. Here, and second resistance, if you were to put at the wick or the body, is somewhere here at the second resistance. Okay, because for our long-term goal is about 1960 to 1965 for the elliott wave. Okay, you want to see here, I think we still somewhere around this level, somewhere here. Okay, you can see that point, right? So this is potentially rising up. I don't know until whether this week or next week. If we trade using elliott wave, I think we'll go up until here. Okay, like somewhere around this level, but you can hold. Okay, you can hold if you want to. Just see that they if break here. Either if they break above this, you may see like break above. Either they break and then they go all the way to 1935 or 37, and then they will pull back here again, and then you buy. You get what I mean? Because in daily time frame, okay, the low is higher already, so they make a lower low. Now they're going to make a so they make a higher low, they're going to make a higher high, meaning that this is a high. They have to go up until here. If they break this, okay, if they break second resistance, pull back, then they will make a higher high like that in daily time frame, right? So this is H4, it's something like that. Okay. Okay, now you wait first. If you don't have any position, it's okay, you just wait. Okay, you just wait. Okay, but if you want to sell here, I don't recommend you to sell already at this level. Okay, and either you wait for the confirmation, or if you want to be safe around 1937 to 1940, you may consider to sell. Like sell soon. 1940 to 1937. Let me check. Yeah, you may consider to sell soon, sell here. Okay, but if they only pull back a little bit until here, okay, you just wait for price to pull back at this level and then you buy. If they break this wick, if they break above this wick, which is 1930, break above meaning that what you can see, they only have wick, right? The body have to close above. Okay, just like the body, they need to close above, like this. Okay, and then if it goes, for example, if like this candle, if all the way up like this, okay, you wait for price to pull back at this level and then you buy. Okay, Have the body close above. What do you mean? You mean strategy names? This strategy name, no strategy name. So basically, these are just based on support and resistance. Basically, because you know that this is our resistance level, right? And price could not go above, which is a lot of rejection. You can see a weak in head 4. So basically, if you want to wait for buy order, you need to wait for the body, which is this one, okay, close above the week, close above this zone, the red box here, and then you wait for the price to pull back at this support level. You know, resistance, it becomes support, right? One break above, and then you wait to sell here. But let's say if like the price all the way up until somewhere here, for example, you may consider to sell here, because we do have extension 127.2 extension here, and then here you have like supply zone somewhere here, okay, like here, the red box here, somewhere here, okay. So either body need to close above the body, and then you wait for price to pull back. Let's say you go all the way here, you just sell. This is a sell zone. You just go here and then price pull back, and then you buy, like buy somewhere here. Okay, that sometimes it doesn't like touch this level. It could be somewhere here or somewhere here. Okay, you just need to see and go to the lower time frame, like M30, like M15, like you see any price action or any confirmation, and then you buy. All right. Okay, this for gold. Okay, let me know if any pair you want me to have a look. Okay. Just now we look at this one. We look already. Okay. Okay. For this one, if you want to know that there is a really nice belly divergent, I think I won't miss the trade, because what you can see, if you guys don't trade with eyes divergent, right, I think you should learn. Okay, it will help you to, you can just use ISI to help you to identify divergent, like belly bullish divergent, which is if you trade in head 4, you see, when you see the divergent here, and then you know that this is almost hit reach your first resistance. Okay, this is could be your resistance, and this is the support level. You can see that one price, the price make a high, but indicator make a lower high. You know that there will be changing in the momentum, right? Bullish to bearish. Okay, and this level is I seen last week. All right, just in case you guys didn't know. So the update again, which is okay, this is my second support here. Okay, the will all the way. Let's say if they really all the way down, if you will have a sell position, right? Potentially is a nice level. Another support level is here. You may consider have a look our somewhere around here, because this one is resistance. Price break above. Definitely it from here go until here. The wait for price to falling, and then you buy at this level. I mean, this is another support level, but now price is falling. Okay, and I just picked this at the, you know why? Because this used to be our resistance level, right? Like up to until like here, like our like ranging in head 4, like you know, first resistance. This one used to be resistance, right? Resistance, and this one used to be first support. Yeah, ranging since September 6th. Okay, and then finally until last week, September like 13 to 14, what happened? Okay, and then they break above. When they break above this, and then you can they come back and retest, because when it break above become support. Like you know, this candle is break above until here, and then this candle is pulled back and hits the first support, and then it rising again. So we need to change the level. This is support level and this chain, and then we can see, oh, now there's a divergence here. Price might pull back from this level, which is the capture. Actually, they just captured this week. This is a first resistance. Second resistance should be somewhere here. Okay. Okay. Any questions so far? Yeah, I'm doing good. Any pair you want me to have a look, you can let me know. Alright. UJ, I already tell you that I have a sale sale position here because I think I sell because I see in daily time frame, like I don't know how far they can go, but somewhere like the valid divergence here. Okay. And if you were to look at RSI, like indicator, it make a lower high, like somewhere here. Okay. So I go to the H4. Okay, so H4, I see that, okay, this is resistance. I just put this as resistance. Price, I did not sell here, I sell somewhere around here. Okay, so if I sell here, my SL is just like above this high, which is my SL I put like above my somewhere here. My SL somewhere around here. Okay, and I think probably they might come down more. Then what you can notice, like this, my time zone is afternoon, right? It come down up to here, which is, I think it's captured this week. You were to zoom in. Okay, it's captured this week. Okay, you see, zoom in and see this week. Okay, they came down up to this level, like 147.56, and then it's reversed. It's reversed here, meaning that some buy order over here. Okay, and then rise up until here, up to here, and then there is a selling pressure. The seller in the market definitely, and then because in daily time frame, what we can see, price is already high, right? It's very high, and then we saw that there is a valid divergence over here. So I think price will come down more, but until where, I don't know. Okay, we just either, if you have a sale order, either you use your trailing stop to secure your profit, or either you partial close your profits, either way. Okay, but if you want to pull, use FIBO to find your TP, for example. Okay, your first TP, should be somewhere here, which is 73.6%. If you have the position open. Okay, and then your second TP, another TP, I think probably could come until, I just use this as another TP, like here, which is 23 and 50. Okay, this could be your take profit one. I'm not sure if they will come until here, but I'm just use the fifth level with somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here, and I think this is should be my take profit. This one should be my first support as well. This one could be my first support. This is my second support. So just go TP1, TP2 here. Okay. This I remove. This is another TP. Okay. This is another TP or another support level. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, we'll see. Okay. Any questions so far? Any question? No question? Okay. Let's look at this pair. Okay. Let me see quickly. The they make a lower high. Okay, weekly. And let's see, if you divergent, you know that the divergent is very powerful. I saw a very divergent here, right here. You can see that. Okay, and then the price is already come down. Okay, we remove. Weekly, this could be support level 1. This one could be like support level 1, 2. Okay. For daily time frame, right? What you can see here, you zoom in, you can see this is very strong key support level. Then we zoom in to H4. Okay, what you can see, we adjust a little bit to make it nice. Okay, so right here, for example, okay, you see, let's say if they break first support, potentially the next target, it could be extension, which is 127.2 somewhere here, or the long term, if you swing if you are swing trader, I think this is your TP, which is extension 161.8, like around this level. Okay, it's just that now the support level, which is here. Okay, it's potentially somewhere. I just leave this for you. Let's say if you have a sale position, okay, this it could be TP1. I mean, if you have an order sale from here, or for the swing trade like trading, should be here is your TP, which is second support. She has 4. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't like it's cutting like that. No. Maybe I move down a little bit more here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, this could be my first support. I will might put this as my intermediate. Okay. I just leave the Fibo extension for you to have a look here. But then our resistance is here. First resistance. I use this one is multi-swing high. Okay, for my second resistance here. I need to pull from here to here. See anything? Any question? Can I see your DXY? Yeah, DXY is falling, by the way. Okay, this mode, just now already told you guys, like, this why falling, like, you know, in daily time frame, there is a bearish divergence over here. Okay, you see, if you cannot see the you know, the divergence, I mean, you cannot really identify, you can just double click to make it bigger. Okay, and then you will see that indicator is make a low high. Okay, at the point, and then the price make a higher high, but then it's dropping already. Okay, we zoom in head 4. The head 4, like say I put this is my intermediate, because if DXY is falling until my first support, meaning EU, GU, and gold should be rising. Okay. Okay. So, oh, you're not talking to me. I thought you're asking me. Sorry. Okay. Anyway, I think it might falling more here. Okay, but retail, some of you guys who join at the beginning. Okay, let's just look for one more. Okay, why I have this? Okay. You can you receive about this one. Okay, it's break my resistance last week. We need to change. Okay, we need to change this one. Okay, so I think it's sideways for Kiwi dollar. Okay, because this is like first support. This is due to be second, it becomes first resistance. This one could be okay, and okay, extension here. One, where is my it's not very nice level. Okay, I'm not gonna put this because I want to wait for them to break this. Okay, let's just put this at the resistance, first resistance here. Okay, here, and this could be like second resistance for Kiwi dollars here. Okay. Maybe I will bring you to look at GBP, JPY. Okay, the last one. Okay. It's sideways like that. If Kiwi dollar, if we don't see any opportunity, we don't need to trade. Okay, it's still sideways. Any one of you guys trade indices like Dow Jones, or Germany 30? Okay, let me just look one more pair. Okay, maybe it's already bounced off from my first support, which is very nicely last week. This is my support resistance last week, which we do have Fibonacci confluence here, which we have 78.6%, and Fibo projection, which is 61.8 projection here. That's why when the price come to this zone, it bounce off already. It's really bounce off already. Which it will go until where? Okay, let me. Okay, now bounce off already. The first support, first resistance. Okay, we use first TP. We could put. Okay, first TP. You could put here. We just use. Resistance level. This would be your first. It's not a good level, but the reason why I picked this at either your first TP, because we do have 50% fib level. If you will trade demand and supply, this is your supply zone. Okay, which is here, base drop here. So I think that if price come up here, you might see a bounce from here, reverse from this level. Okay. It really has to buy. You can use this as the. This is so nice, but I just use this. So I will just leave is at 50%. Fib. 50% fib. Okay. This is could be resistance too far for his 4. Okay. First resistance here is price resistance is the okay, I just put the intermediate then. Like the level that you might either your TP or your the level that you might have to see if there is a reverse from this level. Okay. Definitely this is my second resistance. Okay. Alright. Any question? Okay, I have another 5 minutes, okay, for you to ask me anything about trading. Anything about trading, you can ask me. No? Okay, I still have like 5 minutes. Any questions so far? No? Alright, so if you guys don't have any question, I think I'm going to end the webinar for today. Alright, thank you so much for joining me. Oh, okay. Can I wait for bank to buy? Wait, what is your question? Can I wait for bank to buy with them? Oh, you're not talking to me. Okay. Okay. Somebody's still talking. Any question so far? Okay, so if you guys don't have any question, I think I'm going to end the webinar for today. Alright, thank you so much, guys. I think I will be see you guys again tomorrow. Okay, for the like teaching some you guys of strategies. Okay, so see you again tomorrow at the webinar. Alright, thank you, Jack. See you. Bye. Bye for now. Bye for all. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Alright, happy trading. Bye.